Hoy, papasok ka ba bukas?
Hindi ko alam eh. I feel sick. And everyone in this house is getting sick as well.
Nako, parang halos lahat din ng mga klase natin inuubo.
According to the Department of Health, influenza-like illness cases have been climbing fast across several regions. Hospitals are reporting more patients with fever, cough, sore throats, symptoms that feels like flu but could be viral infections too. This spike is linked to changing weather, crowded spaces like schools, and people lowering their guards after the rainy season. Influenza-like illnesses may sound minor, but they spread really fast. When people ignore symptoms and still go out, one cough can infect others nearby.
Kung ganon, magstay ka na lang muna sa bahay.
Oo, para hindi na rin ako makahawa.
Magsuot ka rin ng face mask kapag lalabas ka. Also, don't forget to drink lots of water. Magpa-check ka na rin sa clinic if tumagal more than 2 days yung fever mo.
Thank you sa reminders. Stay safe ka rin ah.